Found an S11 file from your old Sims 1 game and curious what character it holds? These files preserve individual Sim characters from the classic life simulator. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with Sims 1 character files. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware, I've kept the most effective S11 file solution for the tough cases near the end. A user searching for .S11 files is interacting with the original The Sims game. This file stores data for a specific non-player character, NPC, or a pre-made Sim, including their appearance, personality, and relationships. Modders and players may access these files to edit or share custom characters. The .S11 file is a proprietary binary data structure created by Maxis. It contains serialized object data representing a Sim's attributes. This format was designed for fast loading and direct memory mapping by the game engine, prioritizing performance over human readability or cross-platform compatibility. Historically, the main tool for managing the S11 type has been The Sims by Maxis, Electronic Arts. The file structure is too complex for native Windows editing tools to manage reliably. Windows offers minimal insight, so reading or editing game files requires engine-aware applications. Your key action: right-click the S11 file and select Open With. If The Sims is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the S11 file opens successfully. If your S11 file still refuses to open, stay calm. Because your S11 file is still failing to open, the issue is contained within 3 basic categories. Review this checklist now for the common causes and their solutions. First, loading in The Sims. 1. Place S11 files in. The Sims 1 user data directory typically located within Documents or the game installation folder depending on your version. Launch The Sims 1 and the character becomes available for loading into neighborhoods through the family creation or import interfaces. Next, editing with SimEnhancer. Use third-party tools like SimEnhancer or Transmogrifier from the Sims 1 modding community to inspect and edit character data. These tools display Sim attributes in editable form, enabling personality adjustment, skill modification, or appearance changes for customizing existing characters from your collection. Finally, migrating to Sims 2. Direct migration from Sims 1 to Sims 2 was officially supported in early Sims 2 releases through the Sim Importer feature. Newer Sims 2 versions removed this capability, so character recreation in Sims 2 4 or later titles requires manual rebuild based on viewing the original Sims 1 character. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.